Okay guys, let's do some cloudy then raining pizzas. Oh, it's such a nice day, but it's hot and sunny day right now. I better go for a walk since it's beautiful outside. And the skies are blue. And the birds are flying up in the sky. I can see clouds up in the sky. It's clouding over now. It's thunder and lightning outside. I better get out my umbrella. Oh my God, it's raining pizzas. Oh my God, it's raining pizzas. Oh my God, more rain. It's getting heavier with pizzas. Oh my God, look at the pizzas falling down. It's raining pizzas. Oh my God, it's getting heavier. It's falling harder. It's heavy pizzas. It's raining pizzas even more. Oh my God, my umbrella's broken. It's raining pizzas. Oh my God, it's raining pizzas even harder. Oh my God, there's more rain coming out with pizzas. It's raining pizzas even more. Oh my God, there's more rain. It's up to your knees now. Oh my God, it's more raining pizzas. It's up to your waist now. Oh my God. The pizza's right deep. I better shovel pizzas now. Thanks for watching. I'm Frankie McDonald.